Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your website won't publish, don't really panic, it's usually a simple fix. Fix basically. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the site not publishing issue in Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, the first thing that I'm gonna ask you is make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly, since it's the number one issue people be facing when they be seeing some messages including this type of errors in Wix.com. As for now, we're just gonna go, let's say your connection is fully good, everything's looking okay, we're gonna go to Wix.com. They're gonna send you to another tab where you should usually log in using your email address and password. They're gonna give you the small dashboard. Then we're gonna go to the design site where we usually publish and all of this. We all know that, yes. Now it's time to review the error message. Look for publishing warnings in the editor. Maybe something is missing. Maybe some HTML code isn't working properly. Maybe basically you have something including the feed, maybe like mine, you have a form but it's fully blank, so you need to complete the editing. So as for now, you should fix this required field, ensure all required inputs are completed like mine. So basically this form isn't completed, so either you delete it or complete it. For me, I'm just gonna delete it. For example, they're gonna tell you delete Wix form, deletion form will delete Wix form, then all its pages, elements, etc. whatsoever. Okay, for example, we're just gonna go on delete this and it will be deleted. Now we can go with check if you can publish. You should also check if there is any app conflicts. Disable recently added apps temporarily, then clear the browser cache. Clear cache or try maybe incognito mode, it will help you as well. If you are on a browser, let's say Edge, you can also go and check another one. Then save from here, look for the preview, then publish again. If you still have some problem as a last resort, you should contact Wix support. Basically it's the last solution. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.